Welcome to Cooking with Kyra. I'm Kyra and this is my daughter Ellie.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making fizzy popsicles, but first we'll read a book. Today's book is called Paletero Man. In the hottest month, on the hottest day, in the city of dreamers, California, LA, I grab my dinero and make my way to find my friend, Paletero Jose. Pushing his cart full of cool treats, bailando he dances to mariachi beats. He has dozens of flavors. I can already taste. Will he have my favorite? There's not a second to waste. There's Tio Ernesto. He asks, tamale today? No gracias, Tio. Where's Paletero Jose? Ring, ring, ring. Can you hear his call? Paletas for one, paletas for all. Un aroma is calling, caught in the breeze. It's a barbecue smell coming from Miss Lee's. Hola, querido, would you like a sample today? No, gracias, señorita. Where's Paletero Jose? Ring, ring, ring. Can you hear his call? Paletas for one, paletas for all. The only way to beat this heat is with an icy cold paleta treat. There's my friend from the bike shop. Lo siento, Frank, there's no time to stop. Ring, ring, ring. Can you hear his call? Paletas for one, paletas for all. Will he have all the flavors, the colors I love? Horchata, canela, the kind I dream of. Chocolate, elote, sandia o fresa, arroz con leche, miel or cereza? Ring, ring, ring. Can you hear his call? Paletas for one, paletas for all. Here he is, Paletero Jose. Finally, I'll get cool on this very hot day. Oi, niños, what will it be? He has all my favorites. Can it be true? Chocolate, vanilla, y melon too. But today I'd like piña. Do you have that sabor? He smiles a big smile. Claro, para ti el mejor. I reach into my pocket to pay for my paleta. Mi dinero, mi money, está perdido. It's missing, it's lost. ¿A dónde se ha ido? What will I do? What can I say? How can I buy my paleta today? And just at that moment, who do I see? My neighborhood friends, Tio, Frank, and Miss Lee. We called out your name when we saw your coins drop, but you must not have heard us because you didn't stop. Muchos gracias, amigos. What would I have done? I guess I dropped my money when I was on the run. Kindness for all, shouts Paletero Jose. I have a surprise that will brighten your day. Oi, amigos, paletas on me. Because of your kindness, the paletas are free. Whether it's stormy or whether it's sunny, whether or not you have any money, I'll always help out an amigo in need. Yo te prometo, an amigo indeed. In the hottest month, on the hottest day, we have fun in the sun with Paletero Jose. Ring, ring, ring. We can hear his call. Paletas for one, paletas for all. The end. All right, friends, now that we've read our story, we're going to go ahead and talk about the ingredients that you should have received from the New Lenox Public Library for your Fizzy Popsicles. In your bag, you should have a can of Sprite, a baggie of gummy bears, a popsicle mold with a stick, and a paper cup. For this recipe, the only thing that you'll need from home is your freezer. Okay friends, now we're ready to make our popsicles. First, you're gonna want to put your ice or your popsicle mold into your paper cup without the stick and stand it up like this. And then you're gonna want to put your gummy bears into the popsicle mold.
Do I add all of them?
You can add as many as you want. You don't have to add all of them from your bag.
Then I can add as many as I want.
Yeah. I think that's probably enough. You don't want to add too many because then you won't have enough room for your Sprite.
That was loud.
Now we'll open our Sprite and we can pour it right in. You want to get it right up to the top. That's good. And then you can stick your stick in.
Is this the right way?
Yep. The long part goes down. And then we're going to put it in our freezer for a few hours. It's probably going to take longer than you think for it to freeze. Ours is probably going to take overnight, so we'll be coming back in the morning to try our popsicles. So we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, friends, we're back with our popsicles. We did have to wait overnight, so we have to be very patient in order to get our popsicles. And yes, we're having popsicles for breakfast today. So in order to take them out, you're going to want to roll your mold down like this. And you might need some help from mom or dad or a grown-up. And then once you get to this point, you can pop it out.
Wow, there's a lot of gummy bears.
And you can see all your gummy bears in there. And now it's time for a taste test. Cheers!
Those were a little bit hard for me to eat.
What do you think? Good? Thanks for watching Cooking with Kyra. We'll see you next time.